I'm making this video to show you the further mathematics likely WAEC GCE questions. How do you go about it? This is the WAEC site where you have past question and answer, and this is the method I always use to train my students and now to get everything. I will leave the link to this site. I will leave it on the description below of this video. How do you go about it? You can see we have a lot of years. Just go down. Now for GCE, you have to go to private WAEC private candidate. This is for first series. We have first and second series. Second series is November, December. First series is always done on January or February. So what do you do? What you have to do is to just click on it. After clicking on it, look down, you will see they put paper 2. Where you have paper 2, you also click on it. Okay, it will navigate you to a place where you have you can see further mathematics paper. You can see further mathematics paper 2 WAEC. Okay, this is for 2023. Now, the first thing I want you to do when you get to this site, go to weaknesses and remedy. As I've always said, you will see what the chief examiner says about why people are failing: premature approximation, omission of unit, inadequate understanding of vector. These are just what you have to go through. I don't want to waste your time. So what I want you to do now is to go to question number 1. Just press it. You know we have number 1 to 15. Look at question number 1. Question number 1 says, given that n combination 2 is equal to 66, find the value of n. Look down, you will see there's an observation. Okay, in this place, that's where we have the answer. We have the answer down and the way they wanted it to answer it. What you have to do now again is to go to number 2. Under number 2, look at the question there. Using trapezium rule with 5 ordinates, evaluate correct to 2 decimal places. Look at what they ask there. Integration, this is the definite integral from 0 to 2 of this. So after that, you go down, you will see the answer, the way they wanted you to put it down there. So again, you go to number 3. Now, you continue to do that. This is a sword, okay, expressed in the form of this. So you continue to do that until you get to number 15. Please, I beg of you, look at the way they solved it. Do like that for every year. Okay, do like that for every year. You now go back again, you go to further mathematics. You can see it, we have it there, further math. You still go down, we have done for 2023. So you still go to 2022. Just do like that for at least 10 years. And after that, you will see that it will come out in flying colors. And they will repeat the question. That's just what they always do, or something similar. And so we have a lot of years. Make sure for GCE is private candidate. For school candidate is the one we do in school, not for GCE. So that's it. Thank you. God bless you. Check a lot of videos on this channel which will really help you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with friends. As I told you, I will leave the description below. I will leave the link to this site below the description. Thank you and God bless you.